Let's get your Google Fitbit Inspire 3 up and running. This section covers the initial device setup, focusing on pairing and personalizing your experience. First, ensure your smartphone meets the requirements. Next, download the Fitbit app from your App Store. Before starting, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and the Inspire 3 is fully charged. Now for the pairing process. Open the Fitbit app, tap Set up a device in the app, select Fitbit Inspire 3 from the device list. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Bring the tracker close to your phone. It will vibrate to confirm pairing. You will be asked to log into your Google account, which is now linked to Fitbit. This syncs your data to Google Health for seamless integration. Post-pairing, you'll be prompted to personalize settings, including wrist preference for accurate tracking, daily step goals, and notification preferences. This initial setup should take about 5 to 10 minutes. The Inspire 3 offers 24/7 heart rate monitoring, active zone minutes for tracking cardio, and SpO2 blood oxygen sensing. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard in the Fitbit app to view your activity data and sleep scores. You can also log menstrual cycles. To optimize battery life up to 10 days, use adaptive syncing, which intelligently manages data syncing. The Inspire 3 now includes AI-driven workout recommendations powered by Google's tensor processing units. Remember, data privacy is key. Review permissions for Google Analytics within the app. In late 2025, firmware updates added offline workout tracking and emergency SOS features, so ensure your device is up to date in the app settings. If you encounter Bluetooth pairing issues, especially on Android 15 devices, check for app patches.